Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost website. Ghost is a powerful, open-source platform built specifically for modern publishing. It provides a super clean and fast solution for bloggers, content creators, and media companies. You can easily create and manage your content, engage with your audience, and even monetize your work. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on writing without technical distractions, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to publish online. Getting your Ghost site up and running is straightforward. First, decide if you prefer Ghost's managed hosting, which handles all technical aspects, or self-hosting for more control. After signing up, you'll choose a unique domain name for your publication. Next, explore the extensive theme marketplace, offering hundreds of free and premium designs to perfectly match your brand. Finally, personalize your site by setting the title, description, and uploading your logo and favicon. Creating content in Ghost is a seamless experience thanks to its intuitive editor. You can write using Markdown or rich text and easily embed visuals like images and videos with simple drag-and-drop actions. The editor also supports custom HTML for more advanced elements. To keep your content organized, use tags and metadata, which also helps with search engine optimization. Plus, you can preview your posts in real time, ensuring they look great on both desktop and mobile before publishing. Ghost offers extensive customization to make your site truly unique. Adjust accent colors, upload your brand logo, and select custom fonts to reflect your style. A standout feature is the built-in membership and subscription system, allowing you to monetize your content with zero fees. You can also integrate with popular email marketing and analytics tools to understand and grow your audience. Furthermore, Ghost includes native SEO tools and boasts lightning-fast loading speeds, helping your content reach more readers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.